Alright, so she had her first class today. Right now she's going to be working on having good throttle control and popping up to second and maintaining a good speed. So we set a little loop for her. She's going to go down that way, only in first gear towards the street. And then when she comes back around, I want her to pop it into second into this straightaway and then give herself time to brake before she hits the end here. You know why it did that?
Because I did the clutch thingy when I should have just let go of the clutch and pulled the throttle.
You weren't going fast enough.
I know, that's because
you pulled the clutch in?
Yeah, and I forgot that on second gear you don't need the clutch.
I can tell you were kind of scared to pull on the throttle too when you were in first. Pull on it. Get it going, and then you pull the clutch in, pop it up to second, and keep going. Okay? First gear down that way. When you come back around, first to second here. Okay? But just make sure when you get into first over here, you start going fast enough to where when you pull in that clutch and you give yourself time to shift, the bike doesn't slow down. Because if you slow down and you pop it to second, that's when you start getting that chugging. Okay? Feet up. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Gotta get her going faster in first. Same thing, my love. Same thing. You went a little bit faster that time, but you gotta get it up a little bit more. Okay? So once you're in first gear and you're going, right, and you pull that clutch in to shift to second, you can let it go as long as you're on throttle.
No, I'm talking about first gear. When I'm still in first gear and I want to put on the throttle, I still have to ease out.
As long as your throttle's twisted, you can let that go. Oh. Your throttle is giving acceleration to the bike. Now, if you're not giving it any throttle, that's when you have to use the friction zone. Once you start introducing throttle, that's done. Okay, try it one more time. Throttle. Let it stall. It's alright. I think with what I told you, you're probably just thinking about it too much. When you were coming around, were you pulling on the throttle? You were pulling on the throttle and it cut off?
Yeah, but I feel like I let go of the clutch too fast. I can be wrong, but I don't know.
Keep letting go of the clutch slow then, if that's what works for you. But once you get here, you have to start speeding up.
It's hard, especially since it's fucking hill though.
This is what we have to work with.
I know. So I'm on a hill and I can't let go of my brake on my clutch and I need to start it. So can I start it with holding my brake?
Let your clutch go. Put it in neutral. Put it in neutral and then let the clutch go. Start the bike. Keep your brake hand on there. Let this one go. Start the bike.
Don't I need to hold the clutch to start the bike?
Not in neutral. If you're in first gear, yes, or you will stall.
Are you sure?
Yes. What I do, if I'm on a hill, I'll start to let this go before I let that go.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, can I not use any throttle? Can I walk it up the hill for a little bit till I get halfway?
Use the friction zone, yeah. That's fine. Don't let go of your brake until you start feeling the friction zone pull. Start letting this go. Start easing off of that.
I'm on neutral.
Oh, you got to be in first gear. Start letting go of the brake. Go again. Twist.
I'm scared. I don't want to do it anymore.
Okay. Just wait to do it tomorrow. But you got to practice. I'm just trying to help you the best way I know how, my love.
I know.
That's why I was saying you could start all the way down there and get up to second gear by the time you get up there.
Oh, like stops and then start.
Mm-hmm.
Like instead of trying to do the turn and then pull up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can do that.
Give it some. Pop it. She's taking too long to actually find the gear shifter is what it is. Hold on 1 second, sugar. Hey, I think you're trying, I'm not saying that. I think you're trying to find the shifter. That's where you're losing most of your speed. Your foot's already on this peg, right? Pick your foot up and put it on there. The shifter's right there. Your foot should move like this. That's it. I feel like you readjust your foot and then you try and pop it underneath. If your foot's right here, you slide it to the side and you pick up. Okay? You know that your foot's right there. You know the shifter is not going to change place. Try it again. There we go. Hell yeah. Good shit. That's what I'm talking about right there. You feel that difference? It looks a lot better. Keep going. She's getting comfortable. Love, love, love the progress. I want to see if she can keep it going. Keep going into it. Keep going. Oh, nope. Not comfortable yet. It's alright. Stall. Too much clutch in one go. Remember how I told you? There you go. You're doing good. Remember that friction zone. It's alright, my love. At the end of the day, we can get you some new gloves, but you got to work with what you got right now, right? Pop it into neutral. Your shifting is a lot fucking better, though. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and start it. You got this. There you go. Give it some. Boom. Good shit.